Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to do the Blue Heaven oil free makeup foundation review. So it's been a while since I have bought this foundation and I wanted to review on my channel, but somehow I couldn't. So I'm finally here to tell you my thoughts on it. I'm also going to do a demo on my face, and I'm going to talk about the foundation in detail. So if you're interested in knowing more about this foundation, please keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you would like to support my channel. So let's get started now. Okay friends, so let's jump into the video right away. I would like to apologize in advance if there are any background noises. Now I have mentioned in my previous videos as well, and I'm really tired. There is some renovation work going on in our building. It's in somebody's house and it's a never ending thing, so I cannot wait till they finish, and I do not know when they'll finish, so I have to film videos. So if you hear any noises, I'm really sorry about that. So let's jump into the review now. I mentioned in my intro that I'm going to review the Blue Heaven Oil Free Makeup Foundation. So this is how it looks like. This is not a new foundation, or it's not recently launched. It has been there in on the Blue Heaven's website and in their list of products from a long time. So I have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube, even from popular YouTubers, and they said it's a good foundation. So I ended up buying it like almost 1.5 years ago, but somehow I was not able to review this. But now that I have tried it for a long period of time, I am here to review it now. Now, as I showed you, the bottle looks like that, and it says Blue Heaven Oil Free Makeup Foundation, sunscreen plus matte finish. Now let me read what's written on the back of the bottle. It says it's an easy spread oil free foundation enriched with vitamins and silicones. And silicones to improve natural texture of your skin, especially grinded pigments give high coverage and a flawless velvety matte finish all day long. Okay, so big talks. Let's see how it fares. I will let you know. It also says best suited for all skin types. For a best result, use Blue Heaven's astringent before applying foundation. So I don't know why they have mentioned this. Probably because they are saying it's a matte foundation. So ideally, it shouldn't be like for everyone, right? So if it is matte, somebody with a dry skin will not be able to use it or enjoy it. So I'm kind of confused, but I will clear everything in this video. Now the price of this foundation is 75 rupees, and the shelf life is 3 years, which is a very good thing. And how much ml do you get is something I cannot make out. I will mention the price and how much quantity you get on the screen. Now Blue Heaven, the good part about Blue Heaven is that it's a cruelty free makeup brand. It's made in India, and I think they were established somewhere in the 80s, so it's a very old company. I like their lipsticks, I like some of the eyeshadows. I've used a lot of Blue Heaven products, but sadly when it comes to foundation, I'm not a big fan of them. This foundation, surprisingly, and actually I'm not very surprised, because most of their foundations come with a limited amount of shades. So this one comes with only two shades. Can you believe that? With two shades. And now that we are in 2021, I was hoping that they will come with more shades. So I checked on Nykaa. Nope, just two shades. So the one which I am using is called Natural Beige, and there is also Cream Beige. Now I do not know which one is a lighter one. I felt this will suit me, because most of the people who are of my skin color, I judged on that basis. So I got Natural Beige. This is how it looks like. Now talking about the bottle, I think it looks really nice, not bad at all. Doesn't look very cheap as such. And the best part is that it comes with a spatula. So can you see that? A spatula is the best thing, with a foundation, because अगर आप बॉटल में से निकालते हो तो एक्सेस निकल जाता है, और दैट झंझट हैपन. सो इफ देयर इज अ स्पैटुला, it will really help in applying the foundation. Now it says it's matte finish, so it means that it is meant for those who have oily skin, right? So I don't understand why they have mentioned for all skin types. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the foundation. I'm also going to show you a hand swatch. It has been mentioned on the bottle you have to shake it like vigorously, so I'm just doing that right now. And I'll just do a hand swatch first and show you the shade. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It looks very yellowy out here, and it looks very deep, and you might think that it might not suit me. So we will look, I'll do the demo and then we will decide that. So yeah, see, this is how it is. It's quite runny. Once you shake the bottle, it will be quite runny, and this is the result you will get. So as I said, my shade is Natural Beige. As you can see on my face, I'm not wearing any makeup, and my skin is kind of glowing because I did a little bit of prepping before I'm going to apply this foundation in order to save time. So I have applied my eye cream and face cream, and I have done a mist because I figured that this foundation will not work well if I don't do this prepping kind of steps. So yeah, let's get into the demo right now. I'll be right back. I'm going to start with the demo now. Now on this side of the face, I'm going to use a beauty blender, and this side of my face, I'm going to use a brush. And before I apply the foundation, I'll just shake it once again, and I will be looking into my mirror so that I know what I'm doing. Friends, so can you see I've applied a lot of foundation on this side of my face, and I'm going to use my beauty blender which I've already wet in water, so it has expanded. I'm just going to start blending it now. Okay guys, so I have been blending the foundation. I would say it has very light coverage. In fact, there's hardly any coverage, and strangely it isn't showing orange on camera, but in real life, oh my god, it's showing very it has already started oxidizing on my face. Okay, so I've gone ahead and applied a second layer of foundation because I think in one you know in one coat nothing is going to happen if I really want a decent coverage. I'm done with blending the foundation on this side of my face. The coverage is very low. In fact, it just gives a nice coat on the face, and it kind of a little bit कुछ फर्क पड़ता है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. But considering it's a 75 rupees foundation, I wasn't expecting much. Although there is a difference if you look this side and this side. Now I'm going to apply the foundation on this side of my face, and I'm going to grab my brush and be right back. Hey friends, I'm ready with the foundation on this side of my face, and I'm using this brush. It's a buffing brush. Okay, so I can say that if you do not moisturize your face well, it will go very streaky on your skin. So I do feel that with using a brush, it will give you more coverage. Like, can you see the dark circle is less visible here, whereas out here it is दिख रहा है कि डार्क सर्कल्स है, लेकिन यहाँ पे काफ़ी कम नज़र आ रहा है क्योंकि ब्रश से कवरेज बहुत ही अच्छा मिलता है. एंड जनरली आई थिंक most of the times I always use a brush because I feel it gives me good coverage, and I'm not into full coverage foundation, so this kind of works for me. Now if I have to look into my mirror, the coverage seems decent, but it hasn't covered my dark circles as such, although on camera it still looks better. And definitely if you have dry skin, this foundation is definitely not for you. Like, if I have to use my finger now, it will be the best bet because I feel that it is not blending well like the way I want it, and because I have textured skin and I haven't particularly applied a primer, so my pores are going to be more visible. So yeah, this is how my face looks like. After this side I have applied foundation using a brush, and this side I've applied using beauty blender. So I'm just going to set the rest of my face, and I'm going to be right back. Okay friends, so I'm back after applying some makeup. This is how the foundation looks like. I think it looks really good on camera, but I have different things to say about it in real life. So let's review the foundation now. So as I mentioned, this foundation has mentioned here behind that it is meant for all skin types. Definitely ये all skin types के लिए नहीं है. If you have oily skin, if you have normal skin, you can make it work. But if you have dry skin, you will have to apply like oil and a heavy base cream, and then only apply this foundation. Secondly, whenever you apply this foundation, it will cling to your patches on the face. Like, I have a lot of pores on my face, so unless I use like a pore blurring primer or something like that, it will not look flawless, and it will look very funny, and like a lot of texture will show through, which I don't like. Other than that, the most important part about this foundation, which I'm so surprised that so many of these popular YouTubers who have gone in that realm of reviewing affordable makeup, but they are not telling you one thing, that this foundation definitely oxidizes, and the moment you apply it on your hand, and you'll wait for like 10 minutes, and it will turn orange. Yes, you heard that right. So if I have to look at my face here in real life, it looks orange, and strangely on camera it's looking flawless. So definitely this foundation is worth skipping. It's not good at all. But if you're a creator like me, then you can go for this foundation if you regularly wear makeup. If you're into this vlogging, influencing, YouTube kind of world, if you're a creator, then you will know that we constantly have to apply makeup. We cannot come online looking like, you know, a piece of trash. We have to apply makeup. So at that time this foundation could work if you have nothing else to buy. But I would say the L18 foundation is better. Also the Olivia Cosmetics foundation is better. It's priced at 120. And they have a good amount of shades. I would not say it's the best variety, but at least those shades से ज़्यादा तो definitely है. Although I had tried a foundation from them and that again had the same issue of oxidization and it made me look orange. The reason why I hate this foundation is, first of all, it turns me orange. Now on camera it's not visible at all, but trust me, it turns orange. Even if you go to Nykaa and if you check the section where people review makeup, everybody is going to tell you that. Not everybody, but most of them. I honestly don't trust Nykaa reviews. I trust my review, and I have used this foundation a couple of times now, so I can tell you that it oxidizes like hell. Other thing is that they have written sunscreen. तो sunscreen लिखा है तो कितना है, कितना SPF है, nothing is mentioned. Then other than that, no mention of the ingredients, and it's also, you know, only available in 2 shades. Like we are in 2021 and at least have 5 to 6 shades, right? But no, there are only 2 shades. So if I have to talk about the good points about this foundation, that it's a cruelty-free brand, it's easily available, it's very inexpensive, and it could work as a big somebody who is a beginner. It could work for them as a foundation. But I honestly feel there are so many other brands, you know. There is Olivia, there is L18, and nowadays new brands keep on coming. But I honestly feel that this formula is not great at all. Even if you have oily skin, I'm sure it will cling, like, you know, यहाँ पे सब, you know, gather हो जाता है, यहाँ पे blend नहीं होता है आसानी से foundation. So I wouldn't say that this is the best foundation. However, if you have nothing, you can go for this. Like I said, if you are a creator who creates a lot of content on the internet, if you want a foundation and, like, you know, to apply to look a little bit presentable, then probably this could work. The bad points, as I said, only limited shade range, and there's also a lot of fragrance in their foundation, which is pretty typical of Blue Heaven, which I'm okay with. But then the foundation did not impress me. The fact that they don't have a lot of shades, and, you know, it turns orange, which was really shocking. The first time I tried it, I was like, oh my god. And I have seen people, you know, praising this foundation. I mean, for 75 it's okay, it's not something groundbreaking, but if it turns orange, it definitely wouldn't be worth buying for a common person. So if you're somebody जो, you know, फाउंडेशन साल में 1-2 बार लगाते हैं, पार्टीज में लगा के, डेफिनेटली ये मत खरीदिए, बिकॉज when you go outside the house and when it starts oxidizing, your makeup will look very funny. So I would definitely not recommend this foundation. So overall, I do not know what to say. For me, definitely I may or may not repurchase this foundation, because I think there are a lot of new brands now, and I think they they are much better than this foundation. I also don't like that it clings to my patches. Now I have combination skin, and I'm somebody who is above, you know, 30 years of age, so my skin has definitely changed. I used to have really oily skin in my teens, so probably उस time पे अगर चल जाता था, but now I'm not sure if it will work. But being a beauty blogger that I am from the past 7-8 years, I have tried to, you know, I figured out a way to make things work. So I use like a oil or a heavy base cream, and this kind of works for me, and I kind of make it work. And this is probably the reason why I haven't thrown this foundation, because as you can see on camera, it's looking very nice, but in real life it's turning, you know, it's oxidizing and turning orange. So this was my review of the Blue Heaven, you know, oil-free makeup foundation. Let me know, guys, in the comment section, what do you think about this foundation. I'm not very impressed or happy about it, and definitely wouldn't recommend as such. But if you want to, you can go ahead for the reasons I've already cited in the video. So this is it for today. This was my review. I hope you liked it. Please leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts about this foundation if you have tried it. Do not forget to share my video on your social media. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.